children, today is the story The Sun and the Monkey. One summer afternoon, it was unbearably hot in the jungle. The monkey got very annoyed with the heat. He was continuously sweating. When he couldn't bear it any longer, he jumped off the tree and started yelling at the sun. "You foolish sun," the monkey said. "Cannot you see that you are roasting us alive?" The sun had never been yelled at, especially by a monkey. He got very offended. After all, he was doing his job, so he hid behind the rain clouds and began to sulk. It started raining. The sun continued to sulk and rain for weeks. Soon the whole jungle became muddy and squishy. There was no sun to dry the water. Slowly, the animals started falling sick. It was then that the monkey realized his foolishness. "I am sorry, dear son," the monkey apologized. "Uncomfortable, please forgive me." The sun began to shine again. "Happy day, we're back." Dear children, moral of the story: let each one do his job.